Hello friends, today I'm going to share the recipe of french fries which are loved by the kids and adults. So let's start the recipe. I'll select some potatoes which are long. They give me the perfect fries. I peel them off with the help of the peeler. After peeling them and washing them, I'll discard the top and the bottom part and cut it into the shape of the fries. This is very easy and I enjoy doing this. So it's be easy. Cut it into lengthwise and I'll get the perfect fries. I'll cut all my potatoes in the shape of fries. See, they are perfectly done. And after cutting all potatoes, I'll boil them in the hot water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll take them off and let them to dry. Wipe it off with the help of the tissue paper or the dry cloth. So after drying these potatoes, I'll add some salt and red chili, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and corn flour. Mix them gently with hands. Once they are mixed well, then deep fry them at this medium-low gas. So I'll fry them twice, once half done, then whenever I will need it, I will fry them again. This will make my fries very crispy and tasty. So my fries are half fried, so I'll take them off and keep aside. Whenever I have to serve them, I will fry them again. This will make very crispy and tasty, and also I can fry them hot. So it's a technique to make the crispy fried fries. It's a very easy recipe. If you follow these steps, you will make perfect fries. And you can also store the half fries into the fridge for a long time. Whenever you need them, you can fry them and serve them. So I hope you liked the recipe. If you like the recipe, please share and subscribe. If you want the cheese, you can spread the cheese and microwave it. Thanks for watching.
Wow!